for today's job I'm gonna try tackling these bushes here. See how many of these we can get trimmed up. Again, this is a maintenance job, so I come here and cut the grass and just spend an hour and a half doing all the wee bits and pieces. So you can see these bushes have got really overgrown and they're actually out past this nice wall over the patio, so these need quite a drastic cutback. Shrubs like this where you're shaping up, I prefer a shorter machine, you know, as opposed to the long reach. Stihl HS56. It's a 600mm 24-inch long bar, and it's really light. You know, you can actually hold that right out. I've been using these Dewalt battery loppers. They're a fantastic job. I just went to investigate this tree that's growing here, and where do you see this? It's actually going completely out of the wall. I'll teach you. Oh yeah, boy. I've exposed a wee bit in here because I'd like this to fill on up round. I would maybe take that completely out, but we'll leave it for now and just keep it retained. So I'll just cut the back of this a wee hit here. It's just to keep it off that wall, you know. There's just an awful amount of redding up now. That's about an hour's cutting. I guess there's a serious pad here. So it's given me about half an hour to try and get this all tidied up. So here's the finished job. We'll let these all bush out a bit again, and then we can keep them nice and neat. So that's considerably tidier than before, and a lot easier to maintain as well. I'm gonna go get a bite of lunch here and get on to the next job. So as usual, thanks very much again for watching. See you in the next one.